Hi guys, this is a how-to video for making an envelope that fits one of my Cricut print and cut cards. Start by uploading and saving the envelope SVG and then insert it onto the canvas. Next, change the top layer to score and then attach both layers. At this point, you could add text or other designs to the envelope. In this video, I'm just going to keep it blank. I've sized this file so you can just use plain printer paper or copy paper. That's what I'm going to use in this video, but feel free to mix it up with some decorative paper. Here's my file cut out of the copy paper. I'm going to flip it over. You should always fold opposite the score lines when you can. And if you had added text or decorations to your envelope, you would be flipping it over so that was on the outside. Fold each of the 4 flaps. Then I'm going to get some scrap to lay it on while I add my adhesive. I tapered the edge of the big flap, so I'm going to use dot adhesive and a straight edge. This is just to make sure I'm not getting adhesive anywhere that's going to be touching anything on the inside of the envelope. Then you just fold that big flap up, being careful to hold the side flaps closed. That stuck down, and there you go, a booklet style envelope. Just make sure our card fits, and then you can either seal this with stickers or running more of that adhesive down the opening flap. Thanks for watching. See you next time.